HITBOX HBM200 3-in-1 Gasless MIG, Lift TIG, MMA Welding Machine. The HITBOX HBM200 is a versatile inverter welder designed for those who need multi-mode welding capability without the need for shielding gas, flux cord MIG, gasless mode, plus the option for stick, MMA, welding, and lift TIG mode for cleaner TIG starts. Perfect for home workshops, repairs, metal fabrication, hobbyists, or light industrial use. What you can do with it. Advantages: weld in gasless MIG using flux core wire. Good for outdoor work where shielding gas would be impractical. Use MMA, stick mode for thicker material or tougher conditions where stick welding is more robust. Lift TIG mode adds benefit of cleaner TIG starts, less tungsten contamination. Useful if you have a TIG torch and want more control. Portable and relatively lightweight for its power. Good for small workshops, repairs, or moving between sites. The synergy, one knob, simple setting control, on many variants helps reduce setup time and guesswork. Warning: limitations, considerations. Without shielding gas, flux cord welding tends to produce more slag and less smooth finish compared to gas MIG or gas TIG. Post-cleaning is often needed. Lift TIG, if supported, often has less fine control than full HFTIG. Not ideal for delicate aluminum TIG work unless accessories, torch, gas, etc., are properly matched. Duty cycle means you can't weld continuously at max output for long periods without cooling breaks. Overheating will reduce performance or shut off protection. For perfect welds, especially in workshops, good ground, clean surface, correct wire type, and consistent wire feeding are critical. Dual voltage compatibility. Some models may specify just 220 volts. Ensure your power supply matches. Memo sample marketing, product listing description. The HITBOX HBM200 3-in-1 Gasless MIG, Lift TIG, MMA Inverter Welder gives you versatile welding performance without the hassle of gas. With 30 to 120 A MIG current, Lift TIG mode, and dependable stick welding capability, this welder is ideal for home repair, metal fabrication, and DIY work. Built with IGBT inverter technology, solid protection features, compact design, and compatible with flux cord wires of 0.8 to 1.0 mm, it's a powerful, flexible addition to your welding toolkit.